Welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling to get more views and subscribers on YouTube? Well, SEO might just be the game changer for your channel in 2025. In this video, we'll explore the best SEO tools to help you rank higher, attract the right audience, and grow faster. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's quickly understand what YouTube SEO is. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your videos to rank higher in search results. With over 2 billion users on YouTube, using the right tools can help you stand out in a sea of content. Quick tip. Remember, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, so mastering SEO is crucial for success. Now let's talk about the best SEO tools you need in 2025 to boost your YouTube channel. TubeBuddy is a must-have tool for every creator. From keyword research to A/B testing for thumbnails, TubeBuddy simplifies everything. Its suggested tags feature helps you find the right keywords to optimize your video metadata. VidIQ is another powerful tool for analyzing your channel's performance. Its keyword inspector feature provides valuable insights into search trends, helping you pick the best keywords to rank your videos higher. Google Trends is perfect for spotting trending topics. Search for video ideas and align your content with what your audience is searching for. Ahrefs isn't just for websites. It's great for YouTube too. Use it to find popular keywords, analyze competitor channels, and track your ranking progress. While it's not a traditional SEO tool, Canva is essential for designing eye-catching thumbnails. A great thumbnail can drastically increase your click-through rate, which is a key SEO factor. Here are some bonus tips to maximize your SEO efforts. 1. Optimize your titles and descriptions. Use target keywords naturally and keep them engaging. 2. Use closed captions. Adding captions improves accessibility and can boost rankings. 3. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and encourage likes, shares, and subscriptions. 4. Focus on watch time. Longer watch times signal YouTube that your content is valuable, helping you rank higher. With the right SEO tools and strategies, 2025 can be the year your YouTube channel hits new heights. Which tool will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tips and tricks. Keep creating and optimizing. See you in the next video.